Good morning, Chad. Sorry about not streaming yesterday. D&D went well. However, we also had a death of a family pet, so I did not feel like streaming last night with those things combined. But we're back this afternoon. I'm going to do a little more Satisfactory. We're kind of between projects at the moment. We just finished the construction on our Heavy Modular Frames factory. We were going to use today to explore the next potential projects. We finished that and put up 2 radars so we can easily see what resource nodes we have available in the area now. Let's see, so we're here at the Heavy Modular Frames. We just installed this. We're looking at the nodes. So we have... There's a lot here. We have a lot of copper in the area. We've got some deuterium. Which is probably a good sign, I think. What we'll likely do is I want to grab some Heavy Modular Frames to keep those on me. We have a crash site here where we could not open the door because we needed Heavy Modular Frames. And now that we have them, I think we'll go back there first. Reinforced iron plates are kind of military really quickly. But modular frames are starting to get back up. Yeah, it's just taking time to produce them. Eventually, I think I'm going to break through this line and just run another offshoot. Because once all the modular frames inevitably stack up, I have an opportunity to use this extra storage to have just extra reinforced iron plates, which we ran out of during the project. So keep an eye on that, and I'm sure we'll be back here to grab those at some point. Let's go ahead, wait till we get one more of these, and we'll take it so we have 50 frames on us. There it is. And we'll go do that repair. Right now, there's a chance we need to make some sort of plastics or something, but currently have set up to make all the oil-related products. It's okay. So, we're going to go... It's actually behind us. Actually, could go up there. Before the buggy anyway. Oh jeez. Why did you do that? Oh, the body. So that's why we left this wrap here. But the hatchers are back, so we need to mine those. Stinger too? Remember the guy who throws rocks. I have a jetpack now. Dead? Yes, it is. Everything? I feel like there's one more hatcher somewhere. Good. What was it? It was... Oh, there it is. Let's go. Perfect. It's a long time coming.
Fix-It employee contract reminder. No pioneer should speculate regarding why there are crashed freighters on this planet.
Okay. It's good to know. Map. Let's see, this icon we don't need anymore. And we will put a... Where is it? Oh, okay. Put a lookout tower here. I know for sure we've gotten it. Okay. Okay. That was on today's list, so that's done now. Drive off this thing. Okay, do I need... see how my inventory's looking. Use a few more of those. Stick 100 for now. Doors were fine. Grab some motors too. There we go. Alright. And we'll go back. The new factory uses up quite a bit of power, but it's fine right now. So I'm assuming the power grid's good, or more accurately, because the other machines are backed up and finished, that it's just not causing a problem. We have access... oh my gosh, Buggy. What the heck? We have access to several geysers right now. So it would be nice to put those into use, so I wanted to check the research, what we need for materials for that. I know we're also going to need more supercomputers and stuff, so that would be likely the next factory project. Stuff. Food, food, food. Food. Throw hard drive in there. Okay. Let's see where we're at on the research. Scannable hostile organisms, don't care about that too much right now. Analysis, still haven't gotten any of those materials yet. Deuterium, geothermal generators, so we need circuit boards, or high-speed connectors, which are made from circuit boards. Which that's copper, deuterium, and circuit boards. Okay. So that will add to the to-do list. Power switch I don't really care about. 2 power poles, not immediately necessary. Programmable splitter. Yeah, not necessary at the moment. We have a factory building AI limiters now. So geothermal is definitely on the list. What else do we have? Gas and obelisk. Don't need that at the moment. That. Pulse obelisks? Radio signal scanning. Oh, that'd be cool. So that's to find the crash sites. Don't need it right now though. And then sulfur. Obelisk. Don't need the rocket fuel quite yet. Turbo rifle ammo. Inventory slots. Okay. Let's... What are we doing on ammo? Not bad. I don't need to make more quite yet. So in terms of tier 6 stuff, we have trains. Which I think will be useful ultimately. Fluid transport and all sorts of other things. Pipeline 2s. And have the bigger blueprint thing. So I don't need any of those immediately. Let's see. Next question is, what do I have up on the face there? We have a temporary factory structure we set up here, just to manually make a bunch of these things. Crystal oscillators, which we will need, computers, which we will need, circuit boards, which we will need. The heavy modular frames we no longer actually need, so. I mean, this is empty, right? Yeah. We'll just leave it for now. We'll use it for something, I'm sure. So for circuit boards, copper plastic. Ooh. So maybe we will use the oil fields for some plastic then. So we want circuit board production, and then we want computer production. Computers. Circuit boards, cable plastic. Huh, okay. So dip into the planner here. Add an item. We want computers. We need circuit boards. Well, no. Let's see if we can do... We might be able to do these in one facility, which would be nice. So for computers, we want to make 2.5 per minute to maximize that. So let's see if I can update this. So we would need one crude oil extractor, one manufacturer, one crude oil, 0.25 of a mining K3 of copper ore, which is really not much. Oil mixed plastic. We have heavy oil dupe byproduct. Copper 2 smelters into 2 constructors into 2 constructors. We're making copper sheets while making cables, and then it manufactures the computers. So that's not hard at all. It's a relatively small build, actually. If we combine that with circuit boards, and make a factory dedicated to those, that would be 7.5 per minute. So let me add those to the machine. Five of those per minute. Let's see. Still only a small amount of copper. Small amount of oil. It's 1.38 extractors. Numbers get a little funky though. So ultimately, because I would be making the circuit boards for the computers anyway, ultimately all we're really doing there is just splitting the output. So we're going to have a circuit board path and a manufacturer path for the computers. That's probably doable. I've got all those nodes, I just got to figure out which ones are the most useful. Crystal oscillators, that's a little more complicated to work in here because I need the reinforced iron plates as well and the quartz, which I have, just not here. So that's probably better done I mean, I have another quartz node right there. I've got an iron that's not being used. Should probably be those two. We actually have 4 oils here. Normal impure, so we'll probably use most of these in this construction. Okay, so we'll need copper, oil, and... was that it? Yeah, just copper, oil. We would likely just pull... That's right, I know about that. Just pull the copper from there. Is there... let's actually look and see if there's anything else we need to make that we might be able to throw in here. High-speed connectors. Wait, did that have the high-speed connectors in there? Computer. Circuit boards. Oh, these are just a different... oh, these use circuit boards. Ooh, that's interesting. What happens... let's see what happens if I throw... high-speed connectors into there. Now the grid gets much more complicated. Ideally, we would want to make them at 3.75 per minute. Let's see. That's not too bad, actually. So that puts us at 0.6 minor MK3 of copper. We would have 0.53 minor MK3 of deuterium. Actually, let's just look at the item list. Wait, where? Hello? Page? Okay. Treat list. Oh, it's doing it as separate. Okay, that's more useful. So, we need 210 units of, or no, let's see, 185 of crude oil. We need 142 of copper ore, 126 of deuterium, which is not bad at all. Alright, so I think we'll make a plan with those together. Probably print that off and just prepare for it. The node doesn't look bad at all. Copper ore into 4 to 5 smelters. Make wire and sheets. Those are turned into cables and used in the circuit boards. The crude oil to make plastic. Use plastic to make circuit boards, and the plastic to combine with the circuit boards to make the computers. Combine the deuterium to turn into ingots, to turn into quick wire with 3 smelters, 4 constructors, to then combine with the cables and the circuit boards to make high-speed connectors. And then we can have all 3 outputs. We just have to split off the circuit boards into 3 tracks. And then we have heavy oil residue burn off that we can just turn into power. Okay, so I like that. Is there anything else? We'll eventually need to work on phase 3. We got a little bit of time. Do we want to start this project or not? We know we need the high-speed connectors for the geothermal, so that's probably wise to start working on the project. Power generators. I believe they can, well, no, the oil runoff can be converted into fuel. Right. Why am I running so quickly? There we go. We're fine. We're good. Okay. Well, I guess we'll start working on it. We've got a little bit of time. Probably need to bring the truck back up there, though. So we gather some resources. So we have a good amount of stuff in here already. we would need reinforced iron plates for sure. Okay, concrete. Okay, we've got a lot of iron plates with us. Let's see how much reinforced we have up here now. We now no longer have extras in the heavy modular frames. We gotta wait for that to stack first. Okay, it's more than I thought. Okay, we'll take them all. Take some fuel. Got some on me. Okay. I will need portable miners though, so let's go ahead and make a bunch of those. Alright, let's take the truck back out there. So where's a good spot for this? Here's not terrible. Let's see, so we'll have to get the plastics from here. Got our copper nodes. We have Caterium, one there, and one... There's a ton of iron out here still. That's great. There's one there. I have not been up there yet. We'll have to see how much we can get out of this guy. So maybe that's the first thing we check. Gonna grab real quick some biofuel, because I don't think the chainsaw can run off of like our liquid fuel that we have. Saw a red light. I'm like, how's that thing out of power? Let's check out the Katir. Something up here on the ledge. If we were to do a minor MK2, we would fly 120 units, right? Yes. Okay. And we need how much Caterium? We need 126. So I could use this one, I would just have to overclock it. That's better than probably going halfway across there to find the other. That'll probably work then. What do we want to build? It's fine, we got plenty of copper. Guess we can go perpendicular. This might be the easiest thing. We just have to pipe the oil a long way. There's not really space right here. I want to keep that path open. And we're bringing a bunch of ore through here, so we might have to bring it through here. So maybe we'll build in this, like, valley here. See how flat that is. Up. It's pretty flat, actually. So maybe let's do this. An idea. It's pretty low too. If the oil's coming from that way, we'll just build the foundation here. And we'll start maybe this height. Just play with it a little bit. Whoops. If we were to make this we would need input for copper ore, Caterium ore, and then oil. We would need at most, let's see, 3 assemblers. 6 refineries. So it'd have to be at least 6 refineries wide, which shouldn't be too definitely be able to fit it within kind of the standard 5 wide that we've been doing. It might be worth doing the... I don't know if I want to do the oil production here. Or for the plastics. We could. Those machines are pretty darn big, though. So we may do the plastics part of it out there and then just pipe the plastics in. Just like the fuel generators and stuff, that's just massive. Like, this isn't gonna fit in the standard build that we've been doing there. It would have to be off to the side. And the refineries are also massive, so yeah, I'll have to do that in a separate spot. So we'll pipe the plastics in. So we'll have... So there's no reason we can't use these. But... What's that noise? I hear a noise. What's that noise? Those. For now, we'll throw this, I think we'll probably do... Let's do a platform. Something else up here that's gonna give me a problem, but Nothing so far. There. Go ahead and run a power pole here. Connect that up when it's time. That will take care of the materium that we need. Do using that one. Deuterium. We needed how much? $126 units. Okay. This one. Probably be for the plastics. What are we needing to make out there? This will be 125 plastic, which I feel like is not that much. This guy be copper ore. And 142.5 units. No, 142.5. Change that. Okay, cool. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here and print off this documentation for probably tomorrow. There's a good chance I'll be doing Stellar Blade tonight. We haven't played in a few days. If not, then the plan's more Satisfactory tomorrow. So, thank y'all for hanging out. I will see you soon.